All right, so we're gonna explore Canva a little bit. So I just Googled Canva and already logged on, and I had created a profile through my Google. So what's cool about this is I've used it once before, obviously for this class, and so that is already saved and popped up here automatically. But if you want to start a new design, you just press over here. There's lots of different options. So obviously most of us use the video one for our critical thinking video. One that really intrigues me is this Instagram post. I do run 3 different Instagrams, a personal one, and then another one for my cheer and dance team. So I might look into that a little bit, but let's go ahead and click on video because we're all a little familiar with that. I think that this would be really fun for kids at the beginning of the year instead of doing like a basic get to know you type thing. They could make like a Canva of get to know you or to get to know them. That would be really cool. So anyway, there's a bunch of templates all over here that you can pick from. Obviously I picked this one for my critical thinking video. So let's pick another one. This looks fun. So you just drag and drop over just like that. Pretty easy, super cute little bee. From here you can change a bunch of stuff. You can change the text, the color, whether it's bold, the type of text font that you use. There's different elements that you can pick. I thought that this was really fun. I love the elements. This is another thing that you can just drag and drop. This doesn't match obviously, but here, let's see. It'll go in there like that, and then you can change your settings. So say we wanted to delete this box, we just highlight it and delete. Let's just do this. Hello everyone. Go like that. You can send this, there's different like layers, so you can bring it forward, send to the front or the back. You can just delete it all together. You can change some things around. We did learn how to add music onto here. Cool thing about the music is you can play like a little bit of it. So you can test out a bunch of songs. You can do a bunch of different texts. I thought that this was really cool. These are kind of hard to edit though, I won't lie. I tried to add some of this onto my previous video, and just how they are already set up, they're kind of difficult to play around with, especially if there's like 2 or 3 different words. So like these ones, like the hello darling one there. Oops. The little thing, little crown down here means that it is for the pro, which you have to pay for. So that's how they indicate versus something that's free versus the pro down here. So I can't get this one because I'm on the free version of Canva and not the pro version. Super fun. Like I said, I would probably use it for my students for presentations, just something that's a little bit more engaging than Google Slides. And I think that they would really enjoy it, especially because there's all of these templates here that are kind of already made for you. They can just kind of pick a theme and, you know, just go for it. So you add more down here at the bottom, and you can play it, you can go through and all that stuff, and you can save it, share it, delete it if you absolutely just hate it, you know. And if you go back home, all of your projects are already saved, things that are shared with you, anything that you might have deleted. So yeah, this is Canva.